Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 1, determining square root by division method. It means that in today's class we will learn how to determine the square root by division method. Okay dear students, let us see. I have written two numbers here. First one is 4489 and second one is 31684. I will show you how can you determine the square root of this number. It means that when we will do this, we will learn the method also, okay, for determining the square root. So I am writing the solution. Here solution. To do the square root, at first we will write the number. The given number is 4489. Dear students, to determine the square root, at first you have to remember that you have to take the pair of digits. You have to indicate the pair of digits and use horizontal line above the digits here, above each pair. It means this you can say as bar, you can use bar also. So this is one pair, this is one pair. So first rule is you have to indicate the pair of digit. You have to indicate the pair of digit. After that you have to give a vertical line here, and then in this part we will write the square root, and here we have to consider in case of division. In case of division, at first we consider the left side or left number of left side. Here we have to consider the first pair of left side. We have to consider the first pair of left side. So here is the first pair of left side is 44. First pair of left side is 44. To do the square root, you need to know that here the smallest number, or the number which is a perfect square near to 44, as first pair is 44, so the perfect square number near to 44 but not larger. This should be smaller than 44. So if we consider here the square numbers are, we know 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and then 49. So smaller than 44, the square number is 36, near to 44. Here the square number we have to write here, square number. As the square number is 36, now in the quotient we have to write the square root of that number. Square root of 36 is 6. So we have to write 6 in the right side of vertical line. Okay, now subtract this, then we have to subtract. If we subtract, what will we get? Subtract. Here is for 4, we can't subtract 3, so consider 1, 14, subtract 6, we will get 8. Now use a vertical line in the left side of this digit. Now take the double of this digit, Here what is the double of 6? Double of 6 is 12. Double of 6 is 12. It means 6 multiplied by 2. Then take next pair. The next pair is 8, 9. Next pair is 8, 9. Now you need to know that we have to put the same digit in this place and in this place. As here number is 12. If we consider 1 in both places, then we have to multiply this by 1. Which digit we will put? We have to multiply by that digit. So multiply 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1. 121. This is too small. Then 889. If we consider 2, that is we have to put 2 and multiply by 2. We need to put the digit and we need to multiply by same digit. So this will be 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. This is also too small. Now consider next 1, 2, 3. Now next digit 3. Multiply by 3 also. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. This is also too small. Now 1, 2, 4. Consider here 4. So multiply by 4. It will be 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 and 4 1s are 4. So this is also too small. Now consider 5. 1, 2, 5. Multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. 6 to 5. So this is also smaller. Now consider 1 to 6. That will be, we have to multiply by 6 again. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12 and 3 15. 6 1s are 6 and 1 7. 756. Now consider 7. 1 to 7. So we have to multiply by 7. Now if we consider 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14 and 4. 14 and 4, that is 18. 7 1s are 7 and 1 8. 889. Yes, this match with this number 889. 889. So we have to take the digit 7. We have to take the digit 7 in both places. So take 7 here, here also 7. So if we multiply this 127 by 7, we will get here 889. So if we subtract, we will get 0. So our square root, determining square root is done here. So we can write here the required square root of the number of the number 4489 is, we can use here square root 4489. This sign is known as square root sign, and we can write here square root is 67. So this is 67. Our answer should be this one. Okay dear students, again I am repeating the rule. First rule is, at first we have to take each pair from right to left. At first we have to consider the pair of digit from right to left, and we have to indicate that by horizontal line. Here is one pair, here is another pair. So at first we have to consider the first pair, and we have to see the nearest square number of this number. The nearest square number is 36. So we can write here 36, and then we have to write the square root of 36 in the quotient. Okay, that is 6. Now subtract, you will get 8. Now take the double of this 6, that is 12. Now take one pair below. Now this is 889. Now we need to put the same digit in both places, so that the product of this number by that digit is equal to this. So we can multiply this by 7. We have to put 7 in both places. Now multiply by 7, you will get 889. So if we subtract, you will get 0. So square root, determining square root of this number is done. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood the first one. So 1 is done here. Solution of 1, this is, and solution of 2, I will show here. Solution. The given number is 3, 1, 6, 8, 4. So what is the first rule? First rule is we have to take the pair of digits. Here is the pair of digit, here is pair of digit. But now 3 is without pair. So as 3 is without pair, you need to remember that at first you have to take the square root, take the square number nearest 3. Nearest square number of 3. What is the nearest square number of 3? 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. But we can't take larger than 3, we have to take the smaller than 3. So we can't take 4, we have to take 1. So 1 is the square number, 1 is the square number. So write the square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1. So we can write the square root here. Now if we subtract, we will get here 2. Now take the double of 1, that is 2. Take the double of 1, that is 2. Now take first pair. What is the first pair here? 16. Now this is 216. We have to put a value here. Which one we can put here? Now see, if we put 1, we have to multiply by 1, then this is 21. This is too small. 22, we have to multiply by 2, that will be 44. This is also too small. 23, multiply by 3, this is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69, too small. Now take 24, multiply by 4, that will be 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 96. This is also small. Now 25, multiply by also 5, that is 125, 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 2, 12, 125. This is also small. Now take 6, 26 multiply by 6. What will happen here? 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12 and 3, 15, 156. Now consider 7. 27 multiply by 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49. Now 7 2s are 14 and 4, 14 and 4, 18, 189. Now take 8, 28, multiply by 8. What will happen here? 8 8s are 64. So write 4 here. 8 2s are 16 and 6, 22. This is 224, but this is larger than 216. So we can take this one. We can take this also. We can take this, as this is too small. So we have to consider the nearest one, that is 189. In which case, when it is 7, so put 7 here, 7 in both places. So what will be the product? 189. Now we can subtract here. What will we get? 16. If we subtract 9, it will be 7. Now here is 9 here. So 11, 2, 27. 27. Now take the next pair, 84. Take the double of 17, that is 34. What can we take now? Again we have to check. This is too large. So no need to check by 1, check by larger digit, check by larger digit. If we check by 7, 3, 4, 7, multiply by 7, what will happen? 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28 and 4, 32 and 7 3s are 21 and 3, 24. This is 2429, but this is 2784. Check by 8. 3 4 8. Multiply by 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 and 6, 38. 32 and 6, 38. Now 8 3s are 24 and 3, 29. 29. 8 3s are 24 and 3, 27, not 29. 8 3s are 24 and remaining 3, that is 27. So we can see this one match. This one matched. So we have to consider the digit 8 here. So write 8 here in both places. So what will be the product? 2784. This matched. So if we subtract, we will get here 0. If we subtract, we will get here 0. So we can say the required square root is 178. The required square root is 178. Okay, dear students. So we can write here the required square root of 31684. 31684 is square root 31684. that is 178. This is our required answer for question 2. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to determine the square root by division method. This method is known as division method. Depending on today's lecture, 2 question given from exercise 1.1, activity 2, question C and question D. You will do the square root of these 2 questions. Determine the square root of these 2 numbers depending on today's lecture. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.